In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload multiple stories on Facebook at the same time. First, click Add to Story. Then you wanna go down here, and then you wanna choose a story. Actually, first you wanna click this button, select multiple. So click this button. Then you can choose multiple stories here. I'll choose this one, and this one, and this one. Then you can click next, and then you can basically here you could have two options. You could upload them separately as like each on its own story, or you could just upload them. If you go back here, you could upload them all as one story, but in like smaller sizes. So I'll just go with the separate stories and then click share, and this is basically how you upload multiple stories at the same time in Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.